Hi everyone, we'd like to present our Shock the Web Hackathon project, Bold Hacks. When exploring project ideas, the key thing that stuck out to us was Lightning adoption. As many folks start to interact with Lightning, we wanted to explore how to make Lightning as accessible as possible for new users. One of the first things we realized was that Lightning invoice QR codes today aren't that accessible. If someone that's not in the know goes to scan an invoice, they're taken to a browser error page. We were inspired by the lnbits lnurl experience that Ben demoed to create a Lightning QR flow that favors education. As you can see, our Bolt Hacks app QR code takes new users to an educational flow that walks them through what the QR code is all about and how to proceed. The flow differs depending on whether it's a regular Lightning invoice address or a lnurl withdrawal address. We think it would be neat if Lightning apps would accommodate for URLs like this, by standardizing on the query parameter used for Lightning addresses and parsing the URL accordingly. In this way, new users can proceed through this educational flow while existing users are unimpacted. We realize it's somewhat similar to the lnbits flow, except one, it's protocol agnostic. In other words, apps don't have to conform to your lnurl. It would work for normal Lightning invoices too. Two, Lightning apps like Bitcoin Beach or Moon can parse the URL and bypass the service call entirely for the invoice case. And three, it provides an educational page as a fallback for new users to make Lightning more accessible and improve adoption. So once we onboarded users into Lightning, we wanted to create a simple and playful UX to entice users to stay in the Lightning ecosystem. We created a spinning wheel where you can win or lose sats based on randomly selected prize. I mean, what's more enticing than the Las Vegas casinos, right? It's something small, but we thought it was a neat way to showcase how once you're in the ecosystem, we can keep the complexity completely hidden and allow users to focus on the entertainment itself. We use the Galoy GraphQL API to support the communal player wallet, the banker wallet, along with the funding and withdrawals. We tried to make the funding and withdrawal flows as seamless as possible using the one-click Webln Alby integration and QR code scanning. It was really neat to see just how interoperable Lightning tech is. The app supports Lightning invoice validation as well through the Bolt 11 library. Moving forward, we think it'd be neat to continue exploring the Lightning onboarding experience. Namely, we think it'd be neat to explore the QR code educational page fallback standard a bit more to see if there's anything there. We also think it'd be neat to explore improvements in the Lightning developer onboarding, such as a Strike-like library for plug-and-play Lightning development. In summary, this has been an awesome experience to dive into Lightning with a variety of Lightning APIs. We wanted to thank the mentors and the hackathon team for making this hackathon possible. Y'all were super responsive and super helpful, and we learned a lot and are looking forward to continuing to play around with Lightning development. Thank you so much. We hope to see many of you in Miami.